Hello, how's it going? Getting ready to go do some flying. Gonna try out the new Redcat 210 Carbon racing drone I just got. My first regular sized drone, 5-inch racing drone, even though it's for beginners. Suppose this thing's got a little more punch than what I'm used to, but we're gonna take it outside and see what happens. So, along with the little Inductrix FPV Plus, we'll definitely get some flights in on that too, but we're going to see what happens with the Redcat 210. It's supposed to be a good beginner drone for beginner pilots. Comes with its own transmitter. Everything's dialed in, just 1, 2, 3 modes, and that's about it. So we're going to see what happens. Very, very fast. A lot more power than I have flown with anything that I've done yet with my little Inductrix FPV Plus, or when I had the Torrent 110 blade going, which was, it had some punch, but this thing, super fast, at least for me. I think it goes maybe top end 40, 50 miles an hour, which is I think about half the speed the professional racers are going. I have no idea how they're doing that, at least not yet, but had some fun. Had a couple crashes. Battery time is very short, just a few minutes. So I'm gonna have to look into getting some batteries that maybe get a little bit longer flight time, and I gotta work on the reception too. I think I can replace this antenna that came with the drone and get a Fat Shark antenna that has like more of a mushroom cap on top. And because when I'm seeing it, it's pretty good, but when I'm watching it on the computer after I download the footage, not very good. So one of the wrecks also broke off landing gear. This is what it's supposed to look like, but one of the landings there broke off. I'm not sure how. It was in grass. Had fun. Did the beginner mode. A lot of power. Went to the second mode, which still has some stabilizing effect, but lets you do some flips and rolls. So I did some of my first rolls yesterday. Just towards the end of flying, I took it to the next mode and started to do some flips. I was doing them kind of quick. At the very last one, I was able to ease up on that and do more of a gradual roll than just a quick little flipperoo there. So had fun with it. Can't wait to get it out. Got to get used to the speed. Very fast. But all in all, had a good day flying it. Hope you enjoy the videos, and till next time. Fat Sharks, Redcat 210, 1, 2, 3. Got a little more punch than a quick little. Not the prettiest, not very good. So flipperoo there, it's not the smoothest. Yeah, got to work on that, and that's about it. All right.